Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with the Advent December challenge that I'm also doing with Sabrina. And I tell you, today, oh today. So, I did the previous video, if y'all watched it, of what I received in my envelope. And I'm like, okay, Tina, that's pretty cool, I'm ready. I had it totally done. Totally done. And I got up to do something and I dropped my book and I fixed it and all this. And I noticed I didn't have it tight enough when I put my signature in, and a lot of my paper ripped out of my signatures. So I was like, oh my god, what do I do? So this is my solution. I have these little books. I think I got them from Kathy, and I'm not sure. But some have polka dots, some have a date thing on top. So I took it and I measured it, and it fit my book pretty good. So here's what I did. When I came across this in my stuff today, so I added it to my book. So what I did, oh, and I have this little Delusion rubber band thing, because once I'm done, I'm gonna actually try to sew it into the signature. But so what I did is I took the book and I've been piecing all the pages I have done. So I had the Christmas card with the gnomes on, and I did this, and then inside cover, and then here's yesterday's, which I kind of redid, and then here's today, and I tried to peel the Christmas card off the paper I used, because I had it back to back, of course, but I couldn't save it. Save the inside of the card, but I saved at least this, thank God. So we have the geese, the bling, the little elf gnome. I'll call him an elf gnome. Got the little bells, and then the number 2, and then over here is the mittens. Like I said, I'm in 2 pieces. I took the pocket, the envelope, and I made a pocket, and then here is the ATC I made with the card from yesterday. And I just got it stuck in here, and I figured tomorrow, what the heck? The gingerbread house doesn't want to stay. So I figure if I get more stickers, I'll stick it there, and I just stuck it in there. So now I'm going to spend the rest of the day, I'm going to put paper down and prep the book. Oh, and I did the back cover. But once the holiday season is done, I'm actually going to stitch it all in this book, and then it'll be all good. Sorry, Sabrina, but it turned out pretty cute anyways, I think. Oh, these are the mittens. So bye everybody.